Come here, now.
Okay, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Listen, you're gonna let me go.
Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let me go and all your fucking footage
Lay on
on
your
the TV
stomach.
shit?
Lay on your
No,
stomach.
you're gonna bring out all your fucking producers right now. All your fucking TV shits, you're gonna bring them out now. Bring them out fucking now. Bring it out now. You're gonna bring them out now. Nope. All your fucking producers, you better bring them out now.
Negative. I'm trying to get her secured. She's resistant.
Yep, you better bring them out. Bring them out.
You can for now.
Yep.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No. You can go fuck
What
yourself.
are you doing this for?
Because y'all are fucking videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for years. You're not fucking stopping.
Put your hands behind your
You're
back.
gonna fucking stop.
I'm gonna.
You're gonna come through with it.
Let's play with you now. I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back now. You're gonna get tased if you don't put your hands behind your back. You know that, right?
More for your TV shit?
Yeah, you think so?
More for TV? More for TV, right? Is that what it is? That's what it is, right?
Don't move.
That's what it is? More for TV? Huh? That's what it is?
Don't move. I'm telling you now. You're gonna
What the
get
fuck?
tased if you don't stop.
Is that what it is? That's what it is. More for TV, right? Yep. More for TV. You fucking losers. You fucking losers, man. I'll be your TV show. I'll be your fucking TV show, huh? You fucking red fucking haired fucking prick.
I'm not the one.
Fucking done.
Battery on Leo too.
Yeah.
Now you just got 2 charges.
Oh, woohoo.
Good job.
Yeah, you'll know that call.
Just 1 second, okay? I'm just
Yeah.
gonna be here for a witness, okay?
Be on TV.
That's why I stopped.
Be on TV.
224.
That's why you stopped, so you could be on TV, right? Yep. 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 Are you kidding me? I was fucking the vape, you dummy. Yeah. I would kill you if I could, though.
Where'd you pick that up from?
I didn't pick that up. I threw that.
You see?
Come on,
No,
what's that
that though. You seen that right there, right?
Oh yes, that's what she was stabbing the cars with.
Okay.
Get in the car. We got someone 1015. We're trying to get into the vehicle right now.
Just set her back down.
Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. Yo, where's all the cameras? Bring them out. They're fucking all over the place. Listen, you dick.